Yo, peace and love, guys. We're back with another video. Today we have the KAWS 4, so make sure you go ahead and like the video, thumbs up, all that good stuff, and subscribe to the channel. I'm just playing. Peace and love, guys. We got the KAWS 4s, and you know what, these shoes, they always look good. I was just kind of skeptical to get a pair because they've had so many batches and they've changed throughout the years, and I just kind of held away from them, but I think they're dope. They got these little KAWS hands all over the box. 300 Canadian dollars. That looks like I got a Canadian label. Cool gray and white. That's interesting. They're cool gray and white because I just never heard them called cool gray before. But let's go ahead and take a look at these. And you know, one thing about KAWS, I never understood the hype for like the figures. So let's go take a look at this real quick. I had to do some research, and the question I always ask myself are, why are KAWS dolls so expensive? So if you look at the answer right here, they're basically saying it's like art, it's like Bitcoin, it's like gold, it's popular. And let's go ahead and look at StockX real quick. On StockX, it's kind of confusing because you see these figures. Okay, those are vinyl figures, gray and pink, A56. Let's filter this a little bit. But just looking at the page, look how expensive these figures are. And they go from figures to actual prints. Okay, we got $90K for that one signed doll. And then there's a print up there. This is crazy. This is more expensive than the sneakers, like $90K for that wood figure signed edition. It looks like there's 100 of them. Here's a print for $4,200. It's crazy. They're all over the place. So I don't understand the hype because it's just like they're dolls, but I don't play with dolls. And you know, it's no offense to anybody that does like the figures. I got a couple friends that do like these, and they come with a nice little dust bag. That's pretty cool. But, you know, to each his own, I guess. So let's go ahead and just jump into the sneaker. Again, I love the Jordan 4, and I held off these because they're always going to make this shoe. That's one thing about the UA world. They're going to keep making the same shoes over and over and over again until they're perfected. And basically, until they keep selling, they don't sell no more. They're going to keep making these shoes. And, you know, looks like I got a little bit of glue right there. I don't know what that material it is. It's not suede. I guess it's suede. We'll call it suede. But you get that thing wet or you drop anything else on it, syrup, it's done. I probably won't be able to get that glue out. It's okay. It's all right. It's just a shoe for review. So I'm not really tripping about it like that. But it's there. You know, I guess they should QC that before they send that to me. But anyway, so the suede is not the typical suede. It's kind of like, I don't know, like that. I always call it a carpet suede. Here's the shape of the 4. I always look at that part of the 4, and it looks pretty good. Air unit, that looks pretty good. The whole shoe is pretty solid. Feels good. I got the little KAWS. I don't know what the 2 X's mean. Usually that means like a cartoon character is dead. I don't know. Again, I don't know. All the dolls have that on their eyes, and to me that looks kind of freaky, man. It's kind of spooky. I definitely wouldn't want one of these dolls in my house anywhere by my head where I'm sleeping. I'm just suspicious like that. I don't know. That Jordan, I've never seen a leather Jordan like that. That was actually interesting. Here's the insole. It's got the little KAWS Mickey Mouse S looking hands. Again, I don't understand it, but I can't knock it. Let's go ahead and get that off there. But they're dope shoes, so shout out to the gifter. Make sure you follow me on IG. And I'm still working on the Discord. I got my guy helping me also working on the Discord. We're going to get these Where to Cops together so you guys know where to get all the kicks. I can't really do all that here on YouTube, but you know, you already know how that goes. So under the black light, you know, this is one of the things about shoes that are glow in the dark. I can sit here and do this forever, and they light up. These light up more than the Yeezy 2s. They light up more than the what are some more light up shoes? I can't remember, but they light up really, really quick. Like you just walk outside, you walk back in. Yeah, I had to speed that up. Here's the bottom. Got some more KAWS hands. And as far as flaws, let's look for flaws this time. Well, I don't know if these markings are flaws, but they're there. And I wouldn't recommend trying to remove those because of the type of material these sneakers are. I just wouldn't do it. So they're going to have the little leading lines or whatever they're called on them. It's not that much. On this shoe, there's not that much. On the other shoe, which I'll show now, there's a bit more. Yeah, right on that toe box, they're just like train tracks. Not the end of the world, just always point it out. There's KAWS on the back, Air Jordan on the back of the tongue on that one. There's that leather Jordan again, and the shoes look dope, man. I used to have those Yeezy foams. I sold them to Nailman, but I had those before, and I should have kept them. They lit up too, but not as bright as these. Not as bright as these. So this is the on foot segment. I'm not gonna switch me out and play the music, and I promise you guys I'm gonna get back to the videos where I'm like more on adventure, because right now where I'm making these videos, to be honest, I hate it, but it's what I got to do right now to get these videos out. But it's gonna get warmer. I think we're gonna lose an hour of time, but we're gonna get more daylight, so that helps. But I mean, these shoes look good on feet. You know, they look good. I'm wearing these in a casual setting, and you know, brown pants, gray shoes. They don't really stand out until you really look at them. The people are like, "Oh, those are cool." There goes that little glue stain. You know, not the end of the world. When I get shoes with stuff like that on them, it just makes me want to wear them even more. So I'll probably wear these shoes a lot to work in. When you wear these, they you can kind of kiss that good old glow in the dark bottom goodbye. Like it's well, the bottom at least. The sides will still pop when you walk back in the building, but they pull dirt like crazy. And again, look at them; they look good. You know, if you like them, again, follow me on IG, and they're pretty dope. There's also a black pair. The black pair is pretty dope too. I might get those. They don't really push those out as much as they push these out, so we'll just have to see. But that's pretty much the end of the video. Had to knock this one out, one take. Peace, love, and light. I'm gonna pump out a couple more videos so I can get caught up. But I love you guys. Peace.